I'm Kumar. I've been on my back pain about 2-3 years ago, and they did operation on me. It was all good. I was driving tram, and after that I started having pain again when I did another MRI test, and MRI test was not really good result, and they told me, the specialist told me, you have to get another operation done, which will be fusion. But today was a great day for me when Pastor Andrew Kabbalah, he called. I don't know how come he called me, because I was the only one, I think I was having that problem. And I raised my hand up. I was in tears that day. And Pastor called me up and he prayed for me. It is so awesome to know that our God is a healer. He heals anybody. Even though from the young to the old people, he heals everybody. And I thank God, I thank Pastor Andrew about it, what he has done, praying for me, and I got healed. Thank you very much. God bless.